Hi. The other fantastic tool for this purpose, the same, writing as a whiteboard, but more than many other things can be possible with the help of this tool. And this tool is available in Windows itself. If you install the Windows in your laptop, it is available, and it is a cross-platform application, and that application is available in the start button. I just type here in the start button, the name is OneNote. It is OneNote is available in Windows, OneNote for Windows. Otherwise, if you install Office package, it also appear here. Okay, there are two OneNote for Windows and OneNote for Office 2013. Okay, and this OneNote is again available in your mobile. If you search for Play Store, this OneNote is available there. And it can function in many ways. It can store the material in its cloud space, OneDrive, and that OneDrive can be shared in all these devices, and you can share the material to your friends also. And what is the function of OneNote? OneNote is a place where you can keep different types of notes: image notes, screen clippings, writings, images, sticky notes, and you can also write and convert into mathematical representations. I'll demonstrate. I would like to open, there are two OneNote for me here in this, because I already installed Office package, that is Word, PowerPoint, Excel, plus this OneNote. Okay, just click on OneNote and it is, I already created one file. I will start from a new file. Just click on the file menu and click a new one. Okay, and this is the three options: OneDrive, computer, add a place. That means we can add a particular place to store this. Here I select computer. Okay, and then I can create the file somewhere else. Okay, or we can create a particular place to add this. Then I add a name for this notebook. Here I would like to give a name, cell components. I would like to try to create a notebook for that. Okay, and just click enter, and this is the new file. Okay, and now I try to give heading nucleus. Inside this cell components, I give a not like nucleus, and I would like to explain and draw materials like that. Here I can directly type notes on the nucleus. Nucleus is a in that way I can type matter directly on this window. Okay, and then I can insert something. Here you can use all those things already available in your Word file, bold, italics, like that. Okay, just skip it and go for insert. Here I can insert table, space, file attachment. Inside this note we can add file. Okay, I can attach any type of file. If it may be a PowerPoint. Okay, I can attach, or it may be a PDF. Okay, just skip that. And I can add a screen clipping. If I would like to add an area from here, just take, it will be added. Okay, such fantastic things are here. I would like to remove this now. It is actually no need in this particular topic, so I would like to remove it. Okay, then I can add pictures from online or from my computer. I can upload a picture of a cell if it is there, or I can download one from the internet and I can add the picture here. In that way, the teacher can utilize all those things, but it is not related to the whiteboard function. We can utilize this as a whiteboard. That is the topic of my interest. Then other things are there, and I can also narrate to this file, create record audio and record video of these things. Such a possibility is there. That means without any other screen recorder or any presentation softwares, you can record all those things, and you can fix the time, and you can schedule, and you can add a time, and you can use different page templates also, and you can add some certain equations here in this way. I don't know, I am not from the mathematics background. There are so many things here regarding the equations. You can utilize all those things, different types of equations. You can go for home. Okay, so insert function, and again you can add specific symbols based on your functions, and all these things can be saved. And it is, I think, already we create the file as cell components. It is there. Okay, it is there. No need to go back. Okay, it is saved in that particular name. Then this is the important tab for us, draw. We can directly write here, and this is a fantastic thing. Okay, in this way we can use this platform as a whiteboard. And what is the advantage of writing like this? Actually, I am writing with my mouse. In mobile phone, you can write with your finger, or if you have a pen like this, you can write with that in your board. Okay. Otherwise, you can use your tablets, and in the tablet you can use your fingers to write, or you can use a digital writing pad, and in digital writing pad you can use digital pens to write. Okay, such possibilities are there. And the fantastic thing is that not this. You can draw these types of shapes, and you can utilize these functions. Okay, you can select tool is there, a lasso tool is there. In using the lasso tool, you can select all those things, and you can just click and delete. Okay, in that way also you can utilize the select function. Then panning hand, you can move all these things, okay, somewhere else. You can use the eraser tool to erase a particular part of the writing you made. Then again you can change different types of pens with different colors. I do not go for all those things. You can change the color, and with thickness you can change. Okay, I prefer black. Then you can add in space, you can delete the things. The fantastic thing is yet to come. And what is that fantastic thing is that you can try to write an equation here. For example, the x bar is equal to fx divided by n. Am I sure? No, it is not right. Sigma fx, I think. I am sure this equation is not correct. We can correct it. Select the lasso tool and select all these things, and click this link to maths. Click on this particular button, link to maths. If I click link to maths, this will convert into the particular formula. See, it is very correctly it is converted. X bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. Formula is right. You can utilize that formula. Just click insert. That formula is inserted here. See, the written formula is converted into a printable formula. Actually, for mathematics teachers and other problem physics such subjects teachers, they need statistics teachers, they need these types of formula to create. For that purpose, we can utilize this tool. Okay, I think you also like this feature, and you can add your Microsoft account here, and using that account you can share this material with your students or with your different devices. You can also utilize the function here as OneNote for Windows 10. It is again almost same. Okay, whatever we create using the OneNote for Office can be accessed here, or you can create a new one. Okay, such fantastic things, add section, add pages, etc. are there. You can just give some minor difference in layout is there, yet it is almost same. Okay, I think you may be interested to utilize this function. It may be already in your Windows computer. Just search for it. Thank you.